To order a new card on the Chase app, start by opening the mobile banking app and logging into your account. Once you're logged in, your homepage will display your accounts, and you'll need to select the credit card or checking account for which you want to order a new card. If you're ordering a new debit card, choose the checking account associated with it. For this example, let's say you're choosing a credit card, simply tap on it. Next, select the Replace or Lost, Damaged Card option. You'll then be prompted to choose the type of card you want to order, either a credit card or a debit ATM card. After that, select a reason for ordering a new card, such as your current card needs to be replaced, it's lost, or it was never received. Choose one of these options and tap Next. You'll then be asked to enter details, including the cardholder's name, the reason for the request, shipping method, and mailing address. Once you've filled in all the necessary information and everything looks correct, tap Request Card and your request will be successfully submitted. That's the process for ordering a new card on the Chase mobile app.